Ciao, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Today, another special day, of course. We're gonna do a dessert today. I decided to get on the bandwagon. You know, I've been noticing on the internet and on some other sites, these cinnamon rolls that everybody's raving about. And they make them with this, you know, what you buy in the store. These are Pillsbury. I used 1 can of these, and then you kind of fix them up with some more cinnamon and just different things. And I got my little twist on it. I want to share that with you. I'm going to use pecans, yeah. So stay with me, see what we got to do here. And guess what? I decided to try it a little different than what I see. I want to cut back on the calories a little bit, okay? So I shortened how much I use in butter and in brown sugar and so on. So, well, you just stick around and tell me what you think. Okay, I hope you like what I did because the results are here. That's right. The pecans are on top and it baked up real nice at 350. I baked it for 35 minutes and then 20 minutes in, I took the aluminum foil off the top and then I pulled it out. I put the icing on. You'll see it all. It's all in the description. And I used half and half in this. That's right. It says to use full whipping cream. I decided to try half whipping cream and half milk. You know what I mean? So that's what I did. Now, those aren't the exact ingredients in terms of amounts, but you'll see it all in the description. I did use the butter, of course. And anyway, come on. Hey, take a look and see what I got. Look at that. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Wow, I can't wait. These are going to be delicious. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up for you in a nice little beauty shop. Beauty shop? Well, that's my hair, of course. A beauty shot. So don't go nowhere. Stick around for the beauty shot, and I hope you enjoy the music. Remember, Vito's Italian Cucina. You saw it here with pecans.